In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for project management. This interactive tool is a fantastic way to streamline your team's workflow, keeping everyone aligned and organized as your project progresses. We'll walk through the steps to set up your project space effectively, helping you make the most out of Miro's features. Let's begin with setting up your project space. Start by creating a new board dedicated to your project. Alternatively, if your team is using Miro spaces, create a new space for this purpose. Naming your board or space is crucial for keeping everything clear and organized. So choose a descriptive title that makes the project's focus immediately apparent, such as Website Redesign Project or Q2 Marketing Campaign. This clarity will prove invaluable as your team grows and your list of projects expands. Next, when you're ready to dive into the project itself, I recommend beginning with one of Miro's project management templates. To do this, click on the Templates option in Miro. You'll find a variety of templates to suit different management styles. Whether you're working on a Kanban board, a project tracker, a roadmap, or planning an agile sprint, there's a template ready to go. Selecting and applying a template will provide your team with a structured workflow right from the outset, allowing you to focus more on the project itself and less on organizing its framework. Now that you've got your template set, it's time to break down the work into manageable tasks. You can easily do this by utilizing sticky notes or cards within Miro. For each task, make sure to include essential details: the task name, the owner of the task, by tagging your teammates using @mentions, the due date, and the priority level. This detailed setup helps ensure that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and when it needs to be completed. It also allows for smoother collaboration and communication, minimizing the risk of things falling through the cracks. With your tasks mapped out, you can now organize your workflow using the Kanban method. This involves creating columns labeled with workflow stages such as to do, in progress, review, and done. As your project moves forward, move your tasks across these columns to reflect their current status. This visual progress tracking keeps everyone on the same page and clearly shows what needs attention at any given time. Finally, plan your project timelines and milestones effectively. Miro offers tools like timeline or Gantt-style layouts to help visualize the project's schedule. Within these timelines, add key milestones for crucial deliverables and make sure to clearly mark deadlines for each task. Structuring your timeline this way not only maintains focus on meeting deadlines, but also celebrates completed milestones, providing motivation and a sense of accomplishment for your team. By following these steps to set up and manage your project on Miro, you empower your team with a clear, organized, and collaborative approach. Embrace these tools to make project management a smoother and more efficient experience for everyone involved.